Hi, good morning, welcome. Yes, it's Michael from BTP again. Now, you guys all know that we come to you. You all know that we've got vehicles, we're on the road, we'll come out to your premises, we'll do work at your site, and basically, yeah, we come to you. But did you know you can come to us? Well, this lovely car park here, which is available after hours as well. So you can come and do drop-offs, pickups, whatever you like, and you can come to us. Here's our office on the end here, and as I approach the door, BTP on the door, nice and clear so you can see it. And we have a reception here, and you can come to our boardroom. Now, with this boardroom, we make it available. So you can come to us, you can talk to us about any IT solutions, questions, out of your environment, so that you don't have to worry about interruptions and things like that. We provide wireless. Hey look, we'll even give you a drink. We've got a drinking decanter and cups. So yes, we're modern, we look after you. We invite you. We also can do malware training here. We can seat roughly 10 people comfortably, maybe 12. But yes, we give malware training here, conferencing here, all kinds of things. So BTP is not just about coming to you. You can come to us. Have a think about that next time you need to get out of your office and have a chat about your IT. Plenty of parking, more than welcome. Or you want to learn about malware, you want a bit of training, catch up with what's going on in the malware scene, well, we've got a place to train you. So think about that next time you need to get out of the office, you can come in for a visit, coffee, have a bit of a chat, we're here. We will still come to you, but you can come to us.